Hey, welcome back to Collector's Conquest. We got some awesome Valentine's themed Doorables here. We got the Disney version and we got one of the Star Wars. I'm excited to rip into these, see what we get. I don't even know what the characters look like. I mean, I guess we get a view of Minnie Mouse and Mickey here, but are these things even Valentine's themed? I guess we'll find out. So let's start ripping into these and see what we can get. We'll end up on that Star Wars one because I only have one of those, but we'll start ripping into these Disney Doorables Valentines. Alright. So we got just a heart box here. Pretty cool. They even put hearts on the holes there. So, oh, it looks like you can see what they are. So let's just pull them out. We got, looks like Belle right there. Let's check out Belle. Pretty cool. We got Belle. And guess who we got? Beast. Of course we got Beast with Belle, but at least we know they're coupled up now, I guess. So that's pretty awesome. We got Belle and Beast. Alright, we also got the guide here so we can see who's all in this set. Yep, they're all coupled up. How cool is that? Wow. Do we have enough to get them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh, we might be missing one. That's if these are all different numbers, but I don't know what's in them. So hopefully we at least got different pulls here. I didn't study that guide, so I don't know. I really don't remember what the couples were. So let's check it out. 3, 2, boom! Oh, we got Rapunzel. And I gotta admit, I've never seen Tangled. I know people love that movie, but it was just in that era when they were doing the CGI, and I just didn't really feel like watching it. I mean, I guess I should watch it now, but when it came out, I was not very interested in seeing it. Pretty cool though. Man, that was a good idea to put those like in couples. Makes perfect sense, right? Alright. Let's see who we got. 3, 2, boom! Oh, heck yeah! There's the score right there. Mickey and Minnie. That's what we're looking for. Check it out. We got Mickey Mouse right there. Looking super cool. He's got like his, I don't know what that's called. Like maybe a magician's outfit or something. But he's not like the sorcerer outfit either. Show you Minnie. We'll hold them up to the camera as the couple at the end when we do the recap. Alright, second to the last Disney one here. See what couple we got here. I can remember 2 of them that I saw. on the paper, but I don't remember all of them. 3, 2, boom! Oh, we got Tiana. Princess Tiana here. Check it out. Princess Tiana. And Prince something. Is it Naveen or something? I don't know. I have seen this movie. It's pretty good. Alright, our last one. So the one that I do remember and the one that I want this to be is Wally. So let's put the Juju on here. We need the, actually we don't want Juju. We want Wally. We want the good luck. Here we go. 3, 2, boom! Oh man, I knew this was the other one too. Dang, we missed the Wally one. That's probably my second favorite after that. I mean, Beast and Belle is up there for sure. We got the elementals here. Pretty cool. We got Water. I don't know his name. I haven't seen that movie either. And then we got Fire here. I mean, I feel like Elemental did pretty well at the theater, and they didn't even really put toys out for it. So we got Elemental right there. We got Rapunzel from Tangled. We got Beauty and the Beast. We got the Princess and the Frog. And we got Mickey and Minnie. Let me know which Disney couple was your favorite. And now we're gonna do the Star Wars. Is this gonna be a couple also? I don't know. Let's see who we got here. Three, 2, boom! Oh, is that a couple? It's a couple of figures, but we got Darth Vader and a Stormtrooper. After we look at the figures, we'll see what the options were. I mean, I'm glad I got this set though. Darth Vader. That is an awesome one. And we got the Stormtrooper here. Check it out. Super cool. Alright, let's check out what the potential options were. So there was a full set. Got Han Solo and Leia, Darth Vader and Stormtrooper, C-3PO, R2-D2, Bo-Katan, and the Mandalorian, Kylo Ren and Rey, and then Fennec, Shan, and Boba Fett. I actually want these, man. It's kind of a bummer that I only found one of these. Alright, well, I do like this set here though. Darth Vader and Stormtrooper. Thanks for checking out Collector's Conquest. I got a main channel. If you check the description, there's a link to the main channel. And on that channel, I do a lot of toy hunts, convention videos, and movie reviews. I also have a channel membership. There's a link to that in the description as well. If you click that link, you can join through YouTube. And on the channel membership, every month you'll get a awesome swag item, usually a postcard, a sticker, or the amazing custom trading cards for the channel. You also get full access to all the members only exclusive videos, and you get your name after the video, just like this.
Join Collectors Conquest channel membership, so they get exclusives. Don't want to miss.
Check out Pophouse with Animal. His collection and drive is unmatchable. If trading cards and toys are your thing, you know every day he's gonna bring.
Dino Sarah, she's a beast in the pack. She roars with the magnet, all looking back. Pterodactyl grit, T-Rex attack, taking no prisoners. That's a fact. That's a fact. That's a fact. That's a fact.
Check out T-Man, YouTube channel. His super heroes toy fight always in a battle. Beanie T's video games are so cool. If you're into awesome stuff, this guy rules.
Check out, I'm saying, she's got so much about to say. I'm saying, training thing, rock the roll is what she brings.
Just can't match. Us in my own, we no mobile, judge our big views, so watch this channel for real.
Check out Sassy Cajun. Her channel is an unboxing sensation. Find Scooby, check out her collection. She rips squares with utter perfection.
Out Cheryl's Collector's Galaxy. Our Disney collection looks like a gallery. Lounge, Flying Grogu, and don't forget Stitch. She shows so many awesome things you'll never wanna switch.
Check out KeeTons Of Fun. When it comes to Funko Sodas, they're number one. Be a chase, say enough 3 times. When you hear the intro, you know it's showtime.
Check out 2 boys and their scary pops. On each side of their scares, you might face a cyclops. Ghost face slashes through horror toys. By the time you're done watching, you might see white noise.
Check out frogpopfanatic. Every new Ninja Turtle makes them ecstatic. Puppet Master and Killer Clowns, handmade by robots, he's always hunting down.
Check out Mary Poppins Pops. The stray dog shows all the Funko drops. Mystery boxes don't stand a chance. Whoa, whoa, it is what your dog road chance.
Collectors Conquest channel membership. So many exclusives you don't want to miss.
Hey, it's Collectors Conquest. Have you ever wanted to help support the channel? Well, you can now. We have some new donation options. If you donate $5 or more, you'll get the exclusive 80s hologram sticker and the pretty dang cool pin. Check that thing out. That's pretty dang cool. And also, you'll get whatever free swag we already have. We got stickers. We got some buttons that you get when you win giveaways. All that just for $5. We'll send it out to you for free. Check the links below. We got a Venmo and Cash App only. And if you want to help out even more, consider donating $30 or more and you'll get this free Collector's Conquest t-shirt. We also have a couple other designs, so contact me on Instagram or email me to see those designs. But I appreciate everyone watching my videos. Check the links below. And at the $30 t-shirt level, you also get all that other swag in the $5 level.